Shalom, shalom, wise beings. So the Yellow Dome are going to be cooking with my sis Zaya. Let's see what they're cooking up.
What else do we need, guys? How about some rocks?
So the Yellow Dome are bringing up lots of nature from Zaya's backyard. Let's see how they make stone soup.
Isaiah, we got acorns over here. Do you want some acorns? Come on.
So my sis Zaya is participating in kindergarten. I'm going to play a little bit more of this video and you'll find out more about it soon.
You know why they're gonna love it? Because you're gonna put love in it. That's like a really important ingredient. Do you know how to put love in your soup? Yes. How do you do that?
You put different ingredients inside, then you mix it all together and
Well, where does the love come from?
it comes from your chest.
It comes from your heart?
Yes, your chest.
It does come from your heart. And your words. You can say really kind words over your food to make your food taste really good too. Yep. So you never want to cook when you're upset, huh, mommy?
Okay. Yep. Yep.
Nope. If you're upset, everybody eats cereal.
That's funny.
Isaiah, did you get?
So as you can see on the left, it says meet a few of our leaders. There's over 1,800 plus team leaders in the 50 states. Come check this out. You can apply to be a leader.
Okay. So we
Good
got
job,
dirt. We got leaves.
Oh, this soup looks great.
I'm excited. We got some branches.
Whoa. Basically what Tinkergarten is a project to get children out to play. You can collect skill badges and as well as you can even get paid a small stipend. Check out more in the link below. Again, Tinkergarten is out of Maryland and basically they're teaching you how to farm and cultivate the land and get children out to play. Check more in the link below. Shalom. I like that moss.
Here, break that. There you go. Let me see. Oh, that looks pretty already. We can make moss cookies next time. What do you think?
We're going on a nature walk. Get some stone soup.
Oh, and you know what?
Going on a nature walk. Get some stone soup. They are having a great time.
Okay, we can't have stone soup without stone.
Yeah.
You gonna take my spoon out?
This looks like your kidneys.
This looks like your kidneys.
Ooh,
Oh no.
you're serving over your surroundings, my love.
It's okay. That's okay. That's the beautiful thing about stone soup. You just put it back in your bowl.
That looks great, Azrael. Yummy, Bina.
Bina
Look at
is over there
yours,
playing.
Isaiah.
She's focused. Let me tell
Yum. The cool thing about stone soup is that it's all from your backyard. You'll be surprised how much stuff is in your backyard that you guys can make stone soup with. Alright, so I'm just checking on Abba and baby. Shalom, y'all. Hi. Alright, back to work.
Okay. I will get you some more water, okay? I'll be right back.
Nah. You like your stone soup? Oh, Azrael, you getting everything?
Whoa!
We didn't really need the noodles, but we did it for contrast. It was super fun. What do you guys do for the babies to get them out and about? Drop a comment below, like, subscribe, share, y'all. And again, this was really cool. Get the yellow dim away from that screen time, allow them to use their imagination and manifest. Thank you again for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Shalom, shalom.